Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Say you have large spreadsheet. It becomes difficult to navigate to the specific sheet. Clicking on the arrows here. This feels unprofessional. So let me show you four ways to navigate. The first way, the secret right click. You can right click on the navigation arrow here. It lists out all the sheet names where you can double click on it or select it and click OK. The second way is using navigation play. It comes with the Office 365 feature. Click on view, click on navigation. You get a navigation play where you can click on the sheet name, it will jump to that sheet. You have another hidden way to get this thing. You can right click on the status bar, click on sheet number, you get a sheet number. When you click on the sheet number, you get it. To select it, you have another option here. You can right click on the sheet name where you can rename, delete, or hide. The third way is using hyperlink. Say I have a dashboard or the main sheet here. From here, I like to jump to the other sheet, say order sheet, customer, or the product sheet. So to do that, I type employees, right click on it, click on link. So place in this document and select employees. Now, when you click on it, it jumps to that employee sheet. Say from here, I like to go back to the dashboard, click on insert icons. I like to give an home icon to it, insert. Now I right click on this, click on link, select the sheet. Now when you click on it, it jumps back to the dashboard or the main sheet. Now I just did the same thing for the other rest of the text here. Customers, products. The fourth way is using name box. I like to go to order sheet. I click on a cell A1 and give a name for it. I type the name and press enter. Do not use keywords or special character while naming it in the name box. Now, if I'm in another sheet, I can use a name box. Click on it, it jumps to that. I've named few sheets. Now, in order to edit the names, click on formulas, define names, name manager. It will list out all the names where you can select it, edit it, or delete it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos.